In today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. It's fast, simple, and something we can get done together in just a few minutes. To begin, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams sign-in page. Enter your email address and password, and if you have more than one account, make sure you choose the correct one to avoid any confusion later. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main Teams dashboard. Now let's access your profile settings. Look to the top right corner of the Teams window, where you'll see your current profile picture or your initials. This area acts as your personal control panel for account settings. Click on your profile picture or initials to open the profile menu. From the menu that appears, click on your current profile photo. This will open a small window where you can update your picture. Look for the option that says Upload Picture and select it to begin. Your computer's File Explorer will open. Browse to the folder where your new profile image is saved, then double-click the image or select it and click Open to upload it to Teams. Once the upload is complete, your new photo will appear in the preview window. Take a moment to check how it looks. If you're not satisfied, you can easily upload a different image by repeating the same steps. When you're happy with your new profile picture, click Save to apply the changes. This step is important, as it ensures your updated photo appears across Microsoft Teams for others to see. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Updating your photo isn't just about looks, it helps create a professional impression and makes your online presence more personal and recognizable. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.